Okay, so we're back again, and this time I'm going to show you how to log into your A to Z or RazKids. You will find that assignment on your independent reading day 2 under reading. The first thing you're going to do, you'll be in your third grade resource class. You'll have to toggle back to your Launchpad. Once you're on your Launchpad, you'll have all these tiles that have programs available for you to use, but the one we're looking for is the one that says RazKids. You'll click on RazKids. At this point, you will get a login. It'll say Bridget Dunlap. This is the teacher that we're using, so go ahead and keep that and just look for your name. I'm going to use Nicholas. I'll click on Nicholas, and then your password is going to be your name. So you would just click your name again as your password, hit go, and it'll automatically bring you to the home page. So this is set up like a video game. So you have different rooms here. You have your reading room, you have your level up, and you have your assignments. In your reading room, you'll find different books that have been set there. You could view them all. They have options for you to listen to them. You could read them, and once you're complete, then you could answer some questions. If you go back to your reading, you could select the level up, and this will allow you to practice books at your reading level and master them, and then you'll be able to level up to the next level. So for example, he has 54 books that he needs to complete before he could level up to the next level. If you go back to your reading, if I do assign any assignments here, you would find them here, and these are just practice assignments. They're not for a grade. These are just to help you practice your reading, and here are some books that have been assigned to you to read and to look at your reading level. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to email me or text me, or you have any issues logging on to A to Z or Raz reading, but this is another, like I said, another great resource that we have for you to practice your reading and explore different books. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.